Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to enable keyboard light on Victus laptop HP. Now first thing you should do right here guys is simply search for this icon right here on the F5 button, this icon or this logo. Now you can simply click on the button like this and it will show you that the lights are on, or if it didn't work you can simply click on the FN button right here plus the F5. If you cannot find the icon on the F5 right here, you can simply try to see it in any other places. You can check for it in the F3 button, F4, F5, F7, F11, or here on the up and down buttons, or you can simply click on all these function buttons, or click on the function button plus each one of these function buttons right here till you have it working. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.